what is the importance of classroom management, right? So we've already just touched base key, what is effective classroom, what is its effectiveness, right? So classroom management is like the foundation of any teaching and learning and education experience. If in general there is a system created, then can we expect that the students as well as the teachers will be more in conducive learning environment, right? There will be a good back and forth between the two. So setting that system is important, and classroom management per se does that. Then at the same time, children thrive in safe, respected environments, right? And they feel motivated to want to interact, to want to learn, to want to experience this pattern of learning and growth, right? So a well managed classroom does that. It makes sure that the child feels internally, अंदर से उनका मन करेगा सीखने का. Because जब environment ऐसा होगा ना, they are feeling in control of what is happening around them. Same way as teachers, you must also understand, जब आपको, when you feel out of control, if the class is being very loud or chaotic, right, you also don't know how is it that you're going to teach, है ना? But the moment that the class is focused, motivated, working towards, this learning experience, then you feel so much more energized to work. And the same thing goes with children as well, right? And as teachers, our main focus is to be able to maintain consistently that focus that children want to have on us, right? And it should not just be about reducing disruptions, right? It should also be how we can handle the disruption. Children are going to have, some times where they may make it a little difficult. But as teachers, if we are able to keep their effectiveness and keep their focus on us, then of course that will, set the stage for later ahead as well. So that is the importance of having classroom management, right?